welcome to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to set up your updated Over wallet, and its current name is OverFlex. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go OverFlex. Make sure you have downloaded the updated version of OverFlex from Play Store or Apple Store. And I have set up my wallet, and I have to enter the PIN to unlock. And they have mentioned that your recovery key equal your assets. So if you forget your recovery key, you will lose your all assets. So don't forget to recovery key option. Even OverFlex cannot access your key to protect your security. So make sure to save your recovery key in a safe place and never share with anyone. So click on Start Creating Recovery Key. Set a recovery key. And I have set a recovery key, and then click on Next, and then retype the recovery key to confirm your key. Then click on Confirm. Did you set a recovery key that you can remember? They remind that, so I remember my recovery key and click on Yes. Then otherwise you might lose your assets for good. So never losing my asset, click on never losing my asset. Are you sure you remember? I will remember. I will never forget. So click on I will never forget, and you are all set. And that's it. So after setup your OverFlex, you can see your Airdrop eligibility, and here you can see you are eligible for any Airdrop, and right now my balance is 0. And here you can see the new outlook of OverFlex, and there have several features like palm staking, home staking, and full staking, and they have already shared in X account regarding this, and in future we can trade through this option. And there have several options like Explorer and Account. So right now there is nothing to do more. We have to wait for TG on 16 December and hope we'll get a handsome amount of Over, and it will be valuable. So thanks to all of you for watching our video, and please make sure to do subscribe our YouTube channel to get the future upcoming Elite Airdrop. Thank you everyone.